In this video, I am gonna show you how you can track a phone number click for your Google Analytics 4. So in Google Analytics 4, you will see it's a phone number click. So let's get started. My name is Nasim and I am a top rated freelancer on Upwork with more than 6 years of working experience. I love to share my experience and teach people how to build digital skills and make money from home. So if you want to stay up to date, then consider subscribing to this channel. And don't forget to check this video description because I will give all the resource link on there. So let's back to this topic. As you can see, this is my WordPress website and my phone number is here, and I want to track how many people are click on this link. So this is actually a link. So of course, if you want to track your phone number click, that must need to be clickable. I will use Google Tag Manager to set up my conversion tracking because this is easy, reliable and smart way to set up conversion tracking. And also we can install all the tracking in one place. So let's go to Google Tag Manager. So this is actually the Google Tag Manager container, and you have to follow these two steps to connect Google Tag Manager to your website. Just copy this code and paste it under the head tag of your website. So it's pretty simple. I hope you can do that. So let's find a trigger like when we want to send the event. So that's why I'm going to on the preview mode. So just copy this URL and paste it this your website URL box and hit connect, and you can see my website is connecting Google Tag Manager preview mode. So it's opening, and if I get back to here, you can see it's connected, and here it's connected. So now click on this button and you can see no click event is coming here. So I am clicking again but not coming. So what for this solution, just go to variables and we need to configure the variable. So hit the configure and turn on all the clickable variable. So just check mark, then it will add automatically. So you can see I have done for all click variables, and now I am going to go on the preview mode again, and you can see all the click variable are here. So then let's check again, just hit the preview again, and then what is happened. So it's again connecting to my website. It's take few seconds to connecting. So it's loading. So if I get back here, it's also connecting. So I don't know what is happening. So yeah, it's connected, and if I click this button here, you can see it's also not working. So then we need to go on the trigger and make a new trigger and click on all elements and all clicks and then save it. So all elements save, and then we need to go on the preview mode again. So hit the preview mode and you can see again it is connecting to my website. So it just take few seconds to connecting, and if I click on the phone number now and back to the Google Analytics, you can see the click event is here, and if I go on the data layer or variable, you can see all most of the click variable are capturing the data. So it's actually you can choose URL or click text to send this event. So for this case, I just want to use click text. Okay, so just copy this click text, and we need to make a variable first to sending a specific event. So I don't don't want to make a tag first. So I just need to make a trigger. So we can modify the all event all elements here. So just select it's a click text and input the exact same name that we got from the preview mode, and I just want to rename it, it's phone click. Okay, so and then save it, and then we need to make a tag. So for making tag, just go to tag manager. So it's tag. Okay, go to tag section and hit the plus and search a Google Analytics, and we need to configure Google tag first. So for Google tag, we need to go our analytics dashboard to get Google tag. Actually, we need to get the measurement ID. Measurement ID actually the Google tag right now. So go to admin and go to data stream, and here you can see the measurement ID. Just copy it and back to Google Tag Manager and paste it here, and then trigger will be all page. If you want, you can make any rename. So it's done. Now we need to make a specific event. So go to new again and select Google Analytics event, and then we need to add the measurement ID. So I just keep this same measurement ID here, and you can see it's found in this tag container, and the event name. So I just want to keep it's a phone click, and then select the trigger we have made, it's phone click, and then hit the save button, and if you want you can rename it. So for this video I want to make it phone click and then save, and our tag and trigger all is setup is ready, and then it's the final test. So let's go to the preview mode again and test our event. So you can see my website is connecting to our Google Tag Manager container, and then let's go to the container. So it's the preview mode and it's successfully connected, and then finally hit, you can see it's not fired, and finally click on the phone number, and now it's fired, and it's fired on the 11 click tag. And if I want to check the real-time view on Google Analytics, you can click on real time and see here is the phone number click is here. So that means everything is working fine. So you can easily set up it. But not done yet. We need to publish the Google Tag Manager version, then it will start working. So just submit and then publish, and that's it. If you need my assist, open my calendar link and book a 15-minute free pre-project call with your date and time, and then fill up a little steps. I would love to assist you. If you think this video was useful, then hit the thumbs up because it helps me to continue working on this channel. And if you want to see more video from me, then consider subscribing to this channel. I will see you on the next video. Till then, bye. Have a good day.